All right, hey guys, we're doing it a little bit different this week because this is a training where I'm going to be giving you guys the scripts and talking to you about monetizing your Facebook group. And this training goes a little better when it's a live event. So if you have any questions, if you're here, say hi in the comments. I'm right here. And once again, please utilize your Slack channel if you have anything that you would like me to help you answer or discuss or cover with you during your time with us. All right, so you will have seen during the training, the Atlas Agency Launch Live training, that we recommend you setting up a Facebook group. All right. This could be a LinkedIn group if that's your thing, or some people using schools, some people using the communities option inside to go high level. Whatever it is that you're doing, you're creating a group of your ideal avatar. And then you can sit there and be like, okay, so what do I do with this group? All right. So there's so many things that go into managing a group. There's your setup questions, there's your settings, there's your content that goes along in there. You'll see the training inside the prospecting module or the monetizing Facebook group module there. But today, I want to talk about the fact that conversations equal sales. All right. And there is a common theme to people who start groups of creating the group, putting content in, but not creating conversations. As you receive a steady flow of new group members into your group, every day you're going to need to make them a priority because they're fresh new leads, all right? To ensure that you're getting the best quality group members and the most interaction with them, I'm going to outline a little bit of a process. So number one is screen the quality of your group members. Decline anybody who doesn't fit or is otherwise a bad lead. This is your community, right? You don't have to accept everybody. For example, other agency owners might be trying to come into your group to then take your leads and things like that. So if they look like it, decline them. Number two is send friend requests to every new group member. You do this so that your content on your personal page can start showing up in their feed. And then when you message them, your messages are going to go directly to their inbox instead of to their message request box folder thing where they never see it. So careful who you let in and send everybody a friend request. Number three is accept all the good leads into your group. This one sounds like a no-brainer. It really, really does. But you'll be surprised at how many times I've looked at somebody's group and like, yeah, I'm not making any money. And I look at it and they've got like 50 requests to join that they haven't done anything with, right? So make sure that you're accepting the people who want to join or the good ones that want to join. Number four, if you've gone through my training, you're going to see that number three is a question, right? Okay, it's going to be a question and you're going to word it however you want. It's going to be, hey, what is your goal for this quarter? What is it you're hoping to get out of this group? And would you like me to connect with you and help you reach that goal or whatever it is? So when they answer yes to that question, when they first come into a group, this is what you should send them. And I'm going to show you my screen. All right. So if they say yes, you're going to say, hi, I see that your goal is to lose 20 pounds. Way to go on making that commitment. How's that going? You basically just want to get the conversation started here, okay? So you're going to show them that you're interested in them, that you're interested in their goals. And then you're also going to say, I saw that you wanted me to reach out to see if I could help you with that. Do you have time in the next couple of days for a chat? And this falls back to on the whole, hey, when should we talk? Is never what you should say when you're appointment setting. It should always be, hey, next couple of days, I've got these options. Which one works better for you? If they say no, all right. So if they've not given you a goal or they have given you a goal and they said, no, I don't want to work with you, you're going to say, hi, welcome to my community, just like you did if they say yes. And then you're going to send them something, all right? I have a video, a training or some resource like that on how to do whatever your topic is, right? How to create a great marketing strategy, how to create content using AI, whatever it is your lead magnet is. Is it okay if I send that to you? You want to end on a question. Anytime you're doing appointment setting, you want to end on a question. But When you're using Facebook DMs, it's important to end on a question because it will get them to respond to you. And if they respond to you, it means that your messages aren't going to the message request folder. If they reply to you, then you're always going to end up in the inbox moving forward, okay? Now, you all know about posting content inside of your groups, lead magnet contents, promotional contents, engagement contents, all of those things, okay? But for the lead generation content, it's important that you reach out to everybody again. Even when you've already reached out to them, they've joined the group or whatever, you're going to keep messaging them. And it's always a good idea to include a call to action prompt whenever you're doing a lead generation or an engagement post inside of your group. Comment if you're interested in learning more, things like that, okay? And then you're going to send a message. Hey, I saw that you responded to my post about this. Do you have time in the next few days to have a quick chat? See here how everything we're doing is leading them towards that sales goal. The other one is the two-step kind of content post, all right? And there's a slightly different message for that. And that one there is great for starting conversations. Like, it's awesome for starting conversations. For example, if the post was, I just created a step-by-step guide to detox from sugar. Who wants it? Comment sugar below. And then you're going to say, hi, name. I just saw your comment requesting my guide for detoxing from sugar. Do you mind if I send that to you? Let me know. Again, this is giving them time to reply to you so that you actually get to the inbox. Now, if people don't reply to you, what do you say? What do you do? Oh, no, they ghosted me. They never responded. So you just want to be friendly. And then you're going to make it sound like you're the one who forgot to follow up. You're going to take the onus off of them. Hey, I think I forgot to send you that free thing that you were interested in. Would you still like me to send that to you? Right, see how that follows on from the two-step one? Or, hey, I'm just checking in. See if you got this. I know how inboxes can be. Just didn't want to forget to reach out to you, smiley face. So that's what you do when nobody responds. And then the other one is strategically follow up, right? So this one here, you're specifically going to use for people that aren't showing a lot of engagement inside of your group, okay? So you're going to take your most recent training, your live, your two-step post, whatever it is you've done, and then you're going to attempt to start a conversation with up to 50 qualified group members. And the message is going to be something like, hey, I just put a training together, a resource, a guide that's going to show you how to do this. Just wanted to check to see if you would like the link. Let me know and I'll make sure to get it to you. So notice here how it's not just dropping it in people's inboxes. You're starting that conversation. Conversations equal sales. And then if they reply, you just continue the conversation. You just try and steer them towards scheduling a phone call. So what about those who actually do get on a sales call with you? They stay part of your Facebook group, or at the end of the call, you're like, okay, I see you're not ready to go, join right now. How about you go ahead and join my Facebook group? What do you do to those ones who have already had that sales call? How do you do that? Okay. So this is how I do it. You've got two options here. Whatever option you choose, remember the saying that there's money in following up. If you had a call with somebody and they didn't close, and then in 2 to 4 weeks, you should definitely have followed up to see how they're doing. Okay, there's a really, really good chance that they're still struggling and they're trying to do it on their own and it just isn't working for them. And this is an excellent chance that they would like to get on another call with you. They just need your gentle welcome and you opening up the door. So, hey, Nam, I have been thinking about you and I just wanted to see how you're doing. I know that when we last spoke, you were going to work on whatever it is that they're working on, and you're going to do that instead of joining our program or using our service or whatever it is. How's that going for you? Or if you prefer a less direct approach, you can send them a message like you would to somebody that you're just trying to re-engage. So, hey, I hope you're doing well. I just put together this training on XYZ and I was wondering if you'd like me to send it to you. Whatever you do, you're starting another conversation. You're keeping it fresh. You're letting them know that just because they didn't give you money, they are still important to you. Okay? And then when they respond, you just further the conversation. You ask them how it's going for them. Don't be afraid. Don't ever be afraid to re-engage with people. All right. Now, what do you do if you have people who have engage with your content, okay? But you have never had an actual conversation with them by DMs, by Messenger, whatever. So what do you say? You say, hi, I saw that you have commented or that you've liked in this post, okay? But then I realized we hadn't connected yet. How are you doing? How are things on your end? People like to know that you care. All right, watch module 5, watch the sales module, watch any module. It's going to talk to you about the fact that people don't care about you. They want to know that you care about them. Right. So this is just a comment. And so those are just the scripts that I use when I'm utilizing groups for lead gen inside of my agency. And it's what helps monetize it. And I'm going to say it again. I know I said it already. Conversations equal sales. If you aren't having conversations with people inside of your group, if you're just dropping content or doing lives or running trainings, you aren't going to be able to monetize your group anywhere near the way that you could be. You're not going to be keeping them engaged. It's going to become a dead group. Nobody's going to want to be in it. Nobody's going to invite people to it. So start having conversations with people inside your group and see them turn into money-making machines. All right, that's it from me. I'm going to drop the link to these slides down below in the comments so that you guys can take a look and see if any of these copy and paste will work for you. I'll see you guys next week.